I'm thrilled and pleased to see how our new Ahmedabad office space has finally shaped up on the ground after months of hard work of building it from scratch by our teams. I'm feeling proud, I'm feeling nostalgic, as it was a dream. Since the day walked onto this floor plate in an under construction building, we knew this is the place for us to create a world-class, top-notch workplace for our people. I see that vision, I see that dream now being a reality on the ground. The infrastructure and the facilities that we have put in, be it in terms of technology, be it in terms of data center, video conferencing facilities, collaborative work areas, multi-purpose auditorium, wellness area, game zones, live food cafeteria, or a unique rooftop garden cafe, and most importantly, well-equipped, spacious and practical workspaces for our employees. I am proud of what the team can accomplish, also navigating the headwinds of pandemic we encountered. This office is a testament to our continued investment in our people and in India, strongly supported by my colleagues in the executive leadership team. In this case, for our employees to have a workplace they can be proud of, a workplace which is meant to be productive, practical, vibrant and fun, where they have an environment where they can do more, achieve more and grow more. To my mind, since the day we started working with the designers for this office, I always wanted the office theme and vibrancy to reflect Litera's culture, which is guided by our values.
Litera is at the fore in adopting new technologies. Our products are built on cutting-edge technologies like Python, AI, ML, .NET, Ruby on Rails. We use tools and frameworks like WebDriver.io.
Idea was to build high-class smart facility with innovative design. Keeping employee centricity in mind, we have created spacious workstations, auditorium, meeting rooms, cabins, cafe, terrace garden and so on, keeping boundarylessness and leveling up our value in our heart and mind.
The company has an open rooftop cafe over its upper floor, so we can come and sit with our friends and colleagues along with a cup of tea, and we can enjoy a beautiful view around.
With the launch of the new Litera India office, the IT team has successfully expanded our global reach to provide an enhanced end-user experience not only to our Litera team members, but to all Litera customers as well. I look forward to all the possibilities that will come with having the new office and cannot wait to visit.
We as a team are using whiteboard most effectively to determine the complex situation and find the easiest solution out of it. When we design the solution, we do brainstorm together on the whiteboard and try to find the best UX usability and decide the best solution which is most scalable and most useful as far as the customer is concerned.
Building a new office has been a massive challenge in terms of planning and preparation from the IT side. Now seeing everything is completed successfully and seeing things settled, it feels amazing. The new high-performance network and server infrastructure will take development to the next level. The state-of-the-art video conferencing will help to bridge the gap with global offices.
Office at Ahmedabad is an example of best place to work for any employees. It is an employee-centric with a world-class state-of-the-art technology and IT infrastructure where everyone likes to come and work. It gives a vibrant feel with the positive, energetic vibes.
Our workstations are designed so thoughtfully that people can collaborate with each other more effectively, and at the same time, one can also choose where to sit and work based on the task at hand without being disrupted. This brings out best from us.
This cafeteria is an integral part of our workplace culture where we find respite and meet to connect and collaborate with our colleagues. It creates a very relaxing yet vibrant ambience which grows us in and helps us keep energized and productive.
The quality of a workplace defines the quality of our lives. And this office is a great example of bringing in technology and ambience together with elegance. It provides an environment for everyone to focus on what matters. When I am not at my desk, you will either find me in the breakout zone or just appreciating the beautiful view of the town right deep into the horizon.
Our values are the center of everything we do. It's our DNA, and it binds us together as one team. It makes Litera one of the best places to work at. We've got a value wall here as well, and it is one of my favorite walls too. We've got both core and aspirational values here which we stand and live for. If you ask me to pick one, which is my favorite, I'll take owning it together.
While we started the office during the pandemic situation, we never really had an opportunity to work as a team under one roof. Right? We were working in remote locations, and that does not help in developing the network between the team. But once we start working under one roof, we can understand each other, that we can grow the networking between each other, and that helps a smooth operations as a team.
So whenever we are working in some new design and we need some fresh ideas or lateral thinking, we need to break away from our current zone, and for most of us this probably is one of our favorite zone.
As I speak today, we are all working from home. I do wait for the day when it is safe enough for all the employees to walk into this office and enjoy this workplace. This workplace, which is our campus, Litera campus.